Thank you for coming back to It's Natural. It's Patty here. We're going to make oregano extract. You're going to need some kind of glass container with a lid, oregano leaves. We're going to boil some water. You're going to also need vegetable glycerin. Make sure it's the food grade vegetable glycerin. Pour into the container your oregano. Now this is 1.5 ounces. You don't need much. Oregano is very strong. Next, you're going to ladle in your boiling water, and we just want to rehydrate the leaves. So you don't need that much. You're going to just barely cover the oregano leaves. So that was about 3 ladles full. Now I'm taking a fork and I'm going in and making sure all of the leaves, the dried leaves, are saturated with the water. So once you give it a nice good stir, make sure all of the leaves are saturated fully in the hot water. You're going to top it off with the vegetable glycerin, making sure that it is all the way to the top so there's no air that can get in. Once you do this, you're going to put it in a dark cupboard. Shake it twice a week for 8 weeks. It will look like this while you're waiting for the 6 to 8 weeks, and then strain it off. Watch next the benefits of oregano. Thank you. Make sure you like, subscribe, and share. Have a great rest of your day.